If you've been curious about using Octane Render inside of Blender 5.0, but you got stuck trying to even install it, this video's for you. Most people assume Octane is out of date, or it's impossible to set up, or it's only for advanced users. But the truth is, Octane 2026 installs cleanly into vanilla Blender if you know exactly where to get it and how to set it up. I've been using Blender Octane for years and I see the same setup mistakes over and over again. In this video, I'll show you how to install Octane 2026 connected to Blender 5.0 and get your first successful render up and running. My name is Patrick LeVar. I've been learning Blender Octane for the last 6 years and teaching everything I know and giving it out for free. I also built one of the top Blender Octane communities online where serious artists get access to exclusive materials, feedback, and direct support. Enough of the jibber jabber, let's get back into the video. So how do you actually get Octane running in Blender 5.0 without breaking anything? First thing first, this is where most people mess up. You want the Octane add-on that's made specifically for Blender and matches your Blender version. Important, this add-on release is only compatible with Blender 5.0. Previous Blender 4.0 releases do not support this add-on version. So make sure you have Blender 5.0, come down to add-ons, download the add-on, and download your corresponding server. For you guys who are using the free version, it will be here, Octane server, Windows Prime. That's the one I'm going to be using. So once you're inside Blender, we install the add-on just like you do any other add-on. Just go over here and install from disk. Once you have that done, you should basically see your Octane add-on version, Octane Blender, there it is. Go ahead and enable that. Once we have that enabled, we should be good to go. So if Octane shows up as your render engine, you're all good. Now let's make sure that everything is actually working. Switch to the Octane Render engine. Start the viewport. Boom, here it is. It should be up and running. Quick tip here, if you're also having any type of issues, come over here to File, New, and you'll see there's some default startups here. We have Octane Render Setup Default, and then Octane Setup Compositor and Denoiser. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. It's going to switch the whole setup and layup, but now the denoiser will be enabled. And again, we go ahead and start our render engine. Boom, there it is. Now you can see the denoiser is actually working. Now, I'm keeping this scene simple on purpose. Look how fast this updates. Many people who come from Cycles are a little bit shocked at this, but this is Octane straight out of the box, no optimization, no tweaking. It's pretty nice. So if Octane is set up correctly, you should get instant live feedback. Quick side note, if you're going deeper into Octane and you want feedback or materials or help troubleshooting, I run a free Blender Octane community. The link is in the description if you want it. All right, back to the video. Now that we've got a working render, just a quick zoom out for context. Octane 2026 added support for Gaussian splats, which is huge for advanced capture and VFX workflows. They've also improved how Octane handles heavier scenes, which helps keep things responsive as your project scales. We're not going to go diving into that at the moment, but I just want you to know that this isn't a dead-end render. It's actually evolving. So at this point, Octane is installed, running, and it's ready to render correctly. But setting things up was the easy part. The real question is, how do you actually light a scene in Octane so it looks intentional and not just random? That's where things get really cool. In the next video, I'll walk through my lighting process step by step and show you how I build a specific look from scratch using Octane. See you in the next video.